What's the best step for a company that realizes they need a reliability program? Where do they start? I think a lot of companies just circle around the subject, but they don't know where to take the first bite, So what's a good first step in establishing a reliability program?
Well, the first step is being aware that you need one. It's in a lot of the startups, the common thing now is fail fast, minimum viable product, get started, get something out there. And so you see for truly small companies or companies getting started, they're really focused on making something work, right? So they're not necessarily focused on the long-term quality or reliability, because first they've got to see, is my idea even going to cut it, right? So you see companies will get started there, but you need to begin to think very early on about the necessity of having it and how it's going to be used.
Understanding the use environment and the stresses that the product might see during its intended lifetime. It's kind of fascinating when we talk to prospective customers and, you'll say, well, what's the operating environment for your product? And they'll go minus 40 degrees C to plus 85 degrees C. And then you go, no, that's not the operating environment. That might be your spec limits. But what is the actual operating environment? This occurs over and over, and trying to explain to folks, no matter where you go around the world, the delta T in temperature each day is about 15 to 20 degrees centigrade. And it's just a matter of where are you and where are you on the scale. They're hung up on their spec. And so we have to kind of teach them what the use environments really are. Thermally, vibration issues, drop shock. We get to cover all of those different environments and make sure that the customer understands them so that we can proceed with kind of putting together a viable reliability assessment.
Build it, works perfectly, but you put it out there in the sun or the heat or the cold or vibration and shock, and it literally is like, I wasn't designed for this.
Right, works well in a lab. Get great numbers in a lab,
yes.
Put it out in the field and all things change.
Join us on the second and fourth Tuesday of each month for new episodes of Reliability Matters.